Hello friends, welcome to Learn It with Arif. This is the fourth lesson of Corel Video Studio Pro X6 training. In the previous lesson, we have learned how to import a video in Corel Video Studio Pro X6, how to trim a video. In this lesson, we will learn how to add titles to a video clips and how to add transitions and many more. Let us start our lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to add titles to a video, apply transitions, add music, save and share. First of all, we will learn how to add titles to a video. Let us import and split a video to which we want to add title. As we have learned before, this button, Import Media Files button at the top of the library panel, is used to import a video, audio or photo to Corel Video Studio Pro X6. Click this button and go to the drive where you have stored your video. Choose the video which you want to add title. This is the video. Drag this video to your timeline panel. And now let us split the video if we want. Now let us add titles to this video. Drag the scrubber to the position where you want to add your title. If you remember, this is our scrubber. I want to add title here before the video. Now let us go to title. This is titles button. Click this button, T button, to go to title. You can see the titles. Click this gallery drop list box and click title to see all the titles in library panel. Now choose the title which you want to add to your clip. simply click the thumbnail of the title in library panel and without releasing your mouse button, drag it to your timeline panel. Under your clip in title bar, title track, let us choose the second title and place it under the second clip. Similarly, the third and the fourth. This is the way to add titles in a clip or many clips. Now we will see how to change the duration of title or how to edit a title. Simply double click your title in timeline panel. This is our first title. Let us double click at the title and you will see the option panel will appear in library panel. You can see two headings in options panel. The first is edit and the second is attribute. Click the edit. To change the duration of a title, type your desired value in duration box. This is duration box. You can see I'm going to increase the duration of my title from 3 seconds to 5 seconds. You can see, type your desired value and click enter. We also can edit the text of the title. Similarly, double click at the title. You will see the text box appears in preview window. Double click in the text box and select the text. Type your desired text. After typing your text, click outside the text box. These are the alignment options. I want my text to be set at the bottom center of the video. Again, double click the title and select all the text to resize. This is font size. I'm choosing 40 point. We also can bold or text, italic, underline, font style. You can change your font style from here. It is color of text. you can see in the same way you can edit your remaining titles. So this is the way to insert and edit a title in your video or clip. Now we will see how to apply transitions to a video or a clip. Transitions give a professional look to our video while switching from one scene to another smoothly. We will see how to apply transitions to different scenes of a movie. We can apply transitions between two clips or in a clip. Let us see how to apply transitions to our video. This is the transitions button. You can see in your library panel. Hover your mouse over this button and you will see the transition written. Click transitions button to access to transitions. You can see that transitions are open in your library panel. Now click this library drop list button and click all to see all the transitions. You can see all the transitions are open in your library panel. Now choose the transition which you want to apply between your clips. Let us first of all see the clips and see what the changes transitions make. I'll show you. Just see in player panel. See in preview window how the clips are switching from one to another. You have seen. Now let us apply transitions and see. I want to apply this transition. Simply click the transition and without releasing your mouse button, drag it where you want to apply the transition and release your mouse button. Let us choose the second and in the same way drag it to your desired position. Similarly the third and drag it to your desired position. Let us see how to change the duration of your transition. Just like the title, you can increase or decrease the duration of your transition. To increase or decrease the duration, double click on transition. You can see options panel is open in library panel. This duration box is to change the duration of your transition. I'm going to change the duration of this transition from 1 second to 3 seconds. Similarly, double click the second clip and increase the duration. Now, let us see how the one scene switch from through another scene. This is the way to apply transitions to your video clips. You can apply transitions between two clips, or you can apply transition to only a single clip. Now we will learn how to add music to our video or our project. You can import music using import media file button above your library panel. As we have learned before, this is import media files button. Click this button and go to the drive where you have your music saved. Choose the file and click open. Simply drag your music file from your library panel to your timeline panel music track and release your mouse button. Another simple way to add music to your project is to simply drag music from your hard drive to your timeline panel. Let us see how to do it. Simply go to the folder where you have saved your music. These are the music files I want to drag. Simply click the video file or music file and without releasing your mouse button, drag it to your timeline panel. In music track and release your mouse button, you can see your music is in your music track in your timeline panel. Now let us see how we can import music direct to our timeline panel. Simply right click in music track and go to insert audio. Next to insert audio, we have two options, to voice track, to music track. Click to music track and choose the drive where you have saved your music file. Here is my music file. Simply click your music file and click open. You can see our music file is in our music track in the library panel. To increase or decrease the volume of your music, double click on your music file. You can see the option panel is open in library panel. In clip volume, you can increase or decrease the volume of your music, your clip. I have decreased the volume to 10 point. Now we will see how to add music using auto music command in our toolbar panel. If you remember, on our toolbar panel, it is add auto music button. To add music to your video or your project, click auto music button. You will see auto music panel is open in your timeline panel. Choose the music which you want to add to your project. Click play selected music to listen to the music. Click add to timeline. You can see the music is added to our timeline panel in music track. we can also apply fade in, fade out effects to our music. Fade in and fade out. Fade in effect is to start your music slowly, and fade out effect is to end up your music slowly. Let us see how to save or save as your project. To save your project, in the menu, click File, click Save or Save As. If you want to save your project for the first time, click Save, and if you want to save your project as a copy, click Save As. Click Save. Choose the drive where you want to save your project. You also can create a new folder and name this folder. Type the name of your project. Click Save. Your project is saved. Now let us see how to open a saved project. In the menu, click File, click Open Project. Go to the drive where you have saved your project. click your project and click open. You can see your project is open. Now work in your project. Now we will see how to save our project as video, audio or music format. Now let us see how to share your project. After completing your project, you will need to save your project as a video or audio file. Let us see how we can share our project as a video or audio file. If you remember, this is the share button, which let us go to share workspace. Click this button. Now in share workspace, choose the file format which you want to export your video. Here is create video file. You can create video file using this option. Next is create sound file, create disk and many more. We will save this project as video file. Here are many options: DV, HDV, DVD, Blu-ray, MPEG 4. We'll save our project as MPEG 4. Choose the drive where you want to save your video file. Type the name of your file. Click Save. You can see Corel Video Studio Pro X6 has started our file to export as a video. Let us wait until Corel Video Studio exports our project as a video. After that, we'll see the file which we have exported. You can see in preview window, after saving our project as a video, Corel Video Studio Pro X6 automatically plays the video. Now let us go to the drive where we have saved our project as a video and see the video. This is the video which we have saved or exported. This is the video shape of our project which we have exported. Hope you like the lesson. See you next time with new lesson. Bye.